Welcome back to O2B Technologies. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the latest accounting updates in Odoo 19. Let's begin. Let's make sure our finances are in order. Each year, I submit an audit report. This normally takes quite a long time, but with Odoo's new audit report creator, it's done in just a matter of minutes. I simply name the report, specify the journal dates I want to include, and we're good to go. There's a complete list of pre-made legal texts I can choose from, all based on dynamic content. My colleagues and I can easily sign the report in different places, and I can add extra assigned fields wherever needed. All important accounting reports are automatically included, and if I need to highlight specific results, I can simply adjust the filters and report options. The audit report also comes with a list of template annexes, and I can add any additional page I want. I can even attach extra documents directly from the Documents app. Once everything is ready, I just print the report, and the complete PDF is created and downloaded in seconds. Now let's take care of our tax return. With the new tax return menu, Odoo clearly shows what needs to be filed and when. It's adapted to local requirements across different countries, with each return type displayed along with its deadline and status. So I always know what needs to be done. Next, take a look at the new Bank Reconciliation menu. Odoo automatically reconciles most transactions using existing invoices and bills, based on the partner, label, and amount. For transactions that aren't reconciled automatically, I can easily use the action buttons. For example, Set Account allows me to write off the amount to any account. Since I'm not an accountant, the clear descriptions help me select the correct option. If I still want my accountant to review a transaction, I can request a review. On her side, she can quickly filter the entries, review them, and mark them as done. If a bank statement processed through OCR has incorrect balances, I can manually adjust the starting and ending balances by clicking directly on the fields and selecting the correct values from the PDF. To simplify tax mapping, this feature has been moved from fiscal positions directly into the tax record. I just choose which fiscal positions the change applies to and which taxes it replaces. Finally, even enterprise users with only the invoicing app installed now have access to accounting and partner reports, making financial management more comprehensive. I can also easily follow up on payments by sending reminders to customers with outstanding balances, even through WhatsApp. That's it for this overview of Odoo 19 accounting. Thanks for watching, and stay connected with O2B Technologies.